Welcome back and let's continue with our Python series. In this video, we will be dealing with operators in Python. Operators can be considered as one of the core concepts in Python, and this video can help you to understand different types of operators in Python. Operators is a special symbol that is used to perform various operations between two or more values or variables, and the values used in this process can be called as operands. These operands can be variable or of any data type. So let's consider an example. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. In this expression, 4 and 5 are the operands and the addition symbol and equal to are operators. So based on functionality, Python supports different categories of operators. Here is a list of operators that we have in Python. They are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, membership operators, identity ones, and bitwise operators. So let's see all these one by one. First, let's talk about arithmetic operators. They are used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let me show you an example. A is equal to 13, B is equal to 3. And if I want to store the output in another variable, I can declare another variable in the name of C. C is equal to A plus B. And if I want to display C, I can see the result as 16. If I want to do the subtraction operation, it is A minus B. For multiplication, A star B. And for division, A by B. Now let's talk about some advanced arithmetic operators. The first one is modulus operator. And modulus operation displays a remainder of a division, and we use a percentage symbol for that. For example, I can see the result is 1, and if I want to see only the quotient part and if I want to discard the remainder part, I can use slash twice or double slash. A double slash v would give you the result as 4, and if I want to see the result of a raised to b, I can use star twice. A double star b would give you the result as 2197. Now let's move to the next type of operators. They are assignment operators. Assignment is nothing but assigning a value to a variable. I'll show an example. A is equal to 10 is an example for simple assignment with equal to operator. And when we move to compound assignment operators, they are plus equal to, minus equal to, division equal to, floor division equal to, modulus equal to, and exponent equal to. I'll show you examples for each. First, let's consider plus equal to operator. I'll show you an example for plus equal to compound assignment operator. A plus equal to 20. Now what does it mean? It means A is equal to A plus 20. And the answer should be 30. Let's run A, and the answer is 30. The next one is minus equal to compound assignment operator. A minus equal to 10. Now let's run A. You can see that the new value is 20, and the meaning for this is A is equal to A minus 10. And the previous value of A was 30, and 30 minus 10 becomes 20. The next one is star equal to compound assignment operator. A star equal to, let's say 20, and the new value can be 400. Let's run A, and the new value is 400. The next one is division equal to compound assignment operator. A division equal to 20. Let's run A, and the new value is 20. That means the previous value is 400, and 400 divided by 20 becomes 20. The next one is floor division compound assignment operator. I'll show you an example for that. A floor division equal to 3. Let's run A, and the value becomes 6. Hope you remember what is floor division. Floor division discards the remainder part. It considers only the quotient part. The next compound assignment operator is modulus. A modulus equal to 2. And in modulus operator, it considers only the remainder part and it discards the quotient part. Let's run A, and the remainder is 0 because 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, and the remainder is 0. The last one is exponent equal to operator. Let me define another variable. C is equal to 4, and let me type C exponent equal to 4. And what does it mean? It means C is equal to C raised to 4. Now let me run C. You can see the answer is 256. I hope you have got an idea about arithmetic and assignment operators, and you should practice these operators very well, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned.